Up to this point, you've used AI tools, written prompts, and explored how AI fits into your workflow. Now we're going to take the next step, designing structured systems instead of individual prompts. This is where AI use becomes intentional and repeatable. Even with strong prompt skills, most AI use is still one-off. You write a prompt, get a result, and then rewrite it the next time. What we're doing here is shifting from that model to something more structured, something reusable, and more reliable. In the last lesson, you worked with a system design framework. What we're doing now is applying that same structure directly to how prompts are built. This is where prompt engineering becomes system design. A custom chatbot is not a separate tool. It's a structured prompt that's designed intentionally for a specific task. The goal is consistency, not just getting a good answer once, but getting usable results every time. At this point, this is about control and efficiency. You're not just using AI, you're shaping how it behaves. This allows you to reduce variability, improve consistency, and make AI a more dependable part of your workflow. This is the core idea. The quality of AI output is directly tied to the structure you provide. These 5 components give you control over how the system behaves. When they're missing, results become inconsistent. When they're clear, results improve significantly. This example shows how structure turns into usability. Each part of the prompt is doing a job, defining the role, narrowing the focus, controlling tone, and shaping the output. That's what makes the response more immediately useful. Even with well-designed chatbots, this is still a support tool. You are responsible for reviewing outputs, checking accuracy, and making final decisions. That doesn't change, even as the system becomes more structured. Next, you'll build your own chatbot step by step. You'll define each part of the system and see how those decisions impact the output. Then you'll test it with something real from your work.